In this video, I will guide you how to type underbar in Word document. For this, you need to go to the Insert and click on the Equations. A box will appear here and then go to the Ascent and scroll down. And here you will see that overbars and underbars. Here is the box. Click inside the box, type anything like R, and here it is. In another method, press the Alt key and equal sign. You will route to the equation editor, then put the backslash and type underbar and space, and again type now letters and spacebar again, and here it is. So with these two methods, you can easily insert underbar in Microsoft Word document.